O Sri Radha, when Muralidhara, the best of flute players, sees simply your shadow, he becomes bewildered and fills with amorous desires. Smaravesh, Maha Smaravesh Brahmayana. O Queen of Vrindavan's ever new forest, Vrindavan Navanikunjeshwari, I joyfully, Mudha, you can say it goes to the Manjaris also, Mudha, I joyfully one day offer my respectful obeisances to the dust of the feet of your confidential maidservants, Brittadasis, over and over again. So this is our prayer as aspiring Nibrittadasis, aspiring maidservants of Radharani, cowherd maidens. We're aspiring cowherd maidens of Radha. We're in training, we're in line, we're simply trying to develop greed for the eternal service and association of Radha and Krishna by hearing the Harikatha describing their names and forms and qualities and pastimes. It's all based on alokik lobha, transcendental greed. To be there, I want to be there. I want to serve there. I want to be there, I want to see there, I want to feel there. I want to serve there, I want to live there eternally with Radha and Krishna in the Nava Vrindavan Nikunjas. This is our aspiration, this is our prayer, this is our bhajan, this is our life.